Welcome to Chapter 8 of the Python Basics tutorial series. Object-oriented programming is a way of organizing code around objects, things that combine data and behavior together. The key concepts: a class is a blueprint or template. Think of it like a cookie cutter. An object is an instance, an actual cookie made from that cutter. Attributes are the data an object stores, like a dog's name and age. Methods are the functions an object can perform, like a dog barking. Inheritance lets a child class reuse everything from a parent class. Encapsulation means hiding internal details and exposing only what's needed. Let's build a class. You define it with the class keyword followed by the name. The constructor is a special method called __init__, double underscore on both sides. It runs automatically when you create a new object. The first parameter is always self. This refers to the object being created. Inside __init__, you set instance variables using self.name. These are unique to each object. Class variables, defined outside __init__, are shared by all instances. Methods are just functions inside the class that take self as the first argument. The __str___ method controls what print shows for your object. Always implement this for debugging. Inheritance is one of OOP's superpowers. A child class inherits all attributes and methods of its parent class. You specify the parent in parentheses after the class name. The child can override any parent method. This is called method overriding. It can also add brand new methods. When multiple subclasses override the same method, calling it on any object runs the correct version for that type. This is polymorphism. One word: super. The super function calls the parent class's version of a method. This is critical in __init__, call super.__init__ to run the parent constructor before adding your child-specific setup. In this demo, we'll build a complete employee management system using OOP. We'll have an employee base class, a manager subclass with inheritance, property decorators for salary validation, and a payroll function using polymorphism. This is exactly how real Python projects are structured. Python's Dunder methods, short for double underscore methods, let you customize how your objects behave with Python's built-in operations. __str___ controls print. __repr__ controls representing and debugging. __len__ makes len work on your object. __eq__ defines equality. What does obj1 == obj2 mean for your class? __lt__ defines less than, which enables sorting. __add__ defines obj1 plus obj2. __getItem__ defines obj bracket key for indexing. These are what make your classes feel like native Python types. Chapter 8 Summary: Class is blueprint, object is instance. __init__ is constructor, self is the object. Inheritance reuses and extends. Super calls parent. Dunder methods customize built-in behavior. Final chapter next, Chapter 9, Libraries and Real-World Python. NumPy, Pandas, APIs, and a full ETL pipeline. Subscribe now.